Hello friends, welcome to Code Clear. So let us draw this machine component. So let us start from the bottom through circles, the inner circles. It's as shown here. There are three circles for 1, 2, and 3. Their diameter is 28 mm. So let us draw a circle, a center line, just like this. And if ortho is not on, you have to use the ortho mode, and just like this. Then after that, create one line here, and in this line just draw the first circle with 28 mm diameter. So go to circle option, center diameter, go to the center and just use 28 mm diameter. So this is the first circle. Then after that, offset this line to 60 units to the left. So go to offset command here, then offset distance. You have to choose 60 units because from the center of this circle to the center of the other circle there's 60 units distance. So you have to choose 60 units. Then after that, just enter, just to go to click this circle, go to copy command, hold it at the center and put it here, just like this. So this is the second circle, and the third circle, let us visualize here. The third circle, this one is located at 82 units from the center of this circle. So let us offset this line 82 units to upwards. So let us write 82 here, offset distance, and upward 82 units. Then after that, go to here, extend this frame option, then extend, then click here, click here. So as is shown here, it is located 82 units. Then after that, at what distance this circle is located? That's what we found out. So as is shown here, this circle is located, it is not at the same line with this circle, because this from the center of this circle to this circle there is 56 units from the center of this one. So we have to offset this one to the left 56 units. So go to offset command, then offset distance. You have to choose 56 units, then offset this one 56 units. So that means let us trim the second one, this one. It is confusing here. So that means this is the center of the third circle, So let us draw here, or we can go just choose this circle and then copy command, then hold it at the center and just put it here. So this is the location of the third circle. So next, what you are going to do, just you can remove this one, and now what you are going to do, just we can draw another circle with external radius of 27 units. So that means let us go for circle center radius, hold it at the center, and you have to give it 27 units radius as is shown here. Then you can copy this one, just choose this one and go to copy command, hold it at the center just like this and move it here, and here also the same thing, So we draw all the three circles with outer diameter radius of 27 units. Then next, what you are going to do, just you have to use this 10 radius meter to join these two circles, and here also you have to use the same thing. So what is 10 radius means? 10 radius joins two circles with the third circle with another tangent option, creating a third circle which is tangent to the two circles. So you have to go here and 10 radius option. So in 10 radius option, there are two things you have to consider. Remember, this is the center line. This is also the center line. If you choose below the center line here and here, the circle will be curved inwards, which means it touches this one and curved just like this. It will curve just like this. If you choose above the center line, just here, and below the center line here, it will curve just like this outward. It touches that it will be tangent to this outer portion of this circle. So in this case, we need the inner part. So you have to choose this part, and then it will ask you specify radius of the circle. Here, as it is shown here, 30 units are given. So you have to choose 30 units, then enter. So as it is shown here, the circle is touching the inner part of the circle. Then trim the unwanted region from this circle just like this. So now we created this curve. Then next, what you are going to do, you have to create this curve also. The same thing, you have to follow the same procedure with 84 units, but in this case you have to use the second option, 1010 radius. The same thing, 1010 radius, but here you have to choose above the midpoint, the midline, and here also above the midline. Then you have to choose 84 units radius, just like this. So as is shown here, the curve is just touches the outer part of these circles. Then trim down on the region just like this, and here also the same thing. So now we created this part. You can remove the regions that you don't want. Here there is a fillet with radius of 10 between this circle and this part. So what you are going to do, go to fillet command. When you extend it, fillet, chamfer, and blend curve, you have to choose the first one, fillet, and then you have to click here radius, and you have to choose 10 units because we are requested to use 10 units. Then click here and then click there. So now the curve is created as shown here. Then you can remove the unwanted regions from here also. You don't need this one. So then next, what you are going to do here also, you have to create a curve between this outer radius 27 and between this circle. So the same command, you have to use fillet command, and here the fillet radius also 10 units. So fillet radius, click here radius, you have to choose 10 units, and the same thing here and here. So shown here, it is created just like that. Then trim this region, which is we don't want it, just like this, right? Then after that, so this created here, it is created here also, it is created. Then remove this region also, we don't want it. So next, what you are going to do, just you have to choose you have to trim this region, and then you have to choose tangent line and tangent. Then you have to join this portion with the other portion. Sometimes tangent is not perfectly working because it is they are center. Some other object snaps are just activated, they are just not perfectly created that part. So just deactivate them for once and just only activate tangent and go for line, then go here, touch it and touch it. So as is shown here, it is creating a tangent between this one, these the two things. So next, what we are going to do, you have to remove the part of the curve which is not which is above the tangent line. So just go to trim and remove this part as it is shown here. Now this is the part what we need. Remove this one, it is left there. So to find the location of this little circle, what you are going to do, just this little circle is located 40 units from the center of this one. So let us offset this one 40 units. So just 40 units upward here, and then it is located how much? 30 units from the center of this one. So let us offset this one 30 units inwards, 30 units like this. So let us extend this one, go to extend, and let us extend this line. So that means this is the center of the circle. So go to circle command, it is diameter. So you have to create a circle here, ortho on again, then intersection, go here, and this point you have to use diameter of 20 units to create this circle. So this one is this one, just you can check this the same thing, and you can check the linear dimension between this center and this center must be 30 units as is shown here. It is 30 units. and the height between the center of this one and the center of this one is just 40 units. So based on this you can create this line, and you can also this internal diameter, this one it is 28 units. So based on this you can create this drawing. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.